Welcome to the Azure AI Foundry Advanced series. In this video, we build a complete Retrieval-Augmented Generation pipeline from scratch inside Azure AI Foundry. RAG solves the core problem of LLMs not knowing your private or recent data. Instead of retraining the model, you retrieve relevant chunks at query time and inject them into the prompt. The pipeline has 4 stages. Ingestion loads your source documents. Chunking splits them into manageable segments with overlap so context isn't lost at boundaries. Embedding converts each chunk to a vector. At query time, we retrieve the most relevant chunks and pass them to GPT-4o. In Azure AI Foundry, use the Data Ingestion tool under Foundry IQ. Connect your storage source, set chunk size to 512 tokens with 64 token overlap, and let Foundry handle parsing and metadata extraction automatically. Deploy Text Embedding 3 Large from the model catalog. Each document chunk is converted to a 3072-dimensional vector. These vectors capture semantic meaning, so similar concepts cluster together in vector space, regardless of exact wording. Azure AI Search combines traditional keyword search with vector similarity. The semantic ranker then re-ranks the top results using a language model, giving you the best of all 3 approaches. Foundry can auto-create and populate the index for you. The final step passes the retrieved chunks as context to GPT-4o. A well-crafted system prompt instructs the model to answer only from the provided context and cite its sources. Use the Azure AI Evaluation SDK to measure groundedness, how well the answer is supported by the retrieved documents. To recap, build your RAG pipeline in 4 stages. Use hybrid search for best retrieval quality, and always evaluate groundedness before production. In the next video, we cover fine-tuning GPT-4o directly inside Azure AI Foundry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Expert of AI for more Azure AI content.